much to figure out what's going on with the Integra. I'm still having the overheating issues. So the radiator didn't help. The two previous videos I uploaded are old videos of the Integra, so the valve cover gasket and raising the car on the coilovers. Those are old videos. So we're back to current date. So today is September 26th. I plan on showing you guys how to do a compression test on your K series, or in general. It's pretty much the same across any car. It's pretty much the same. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I've done this before. I'm pretty positive 2 cylinders are low on compression. So I'll go over what's our next step after we do the compression test and after I show you guys how to do it. So to start that off, remove the coil packs, unplug the injectors, and remove all of the spark plugs. I saw Brian from Hassport, his YouTube channel is JIC Academy. He pulled all the spark plugs when he did a compression test on a B series a few years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Pull spark plugs, unplug the coil packs, remove them, and unplug the injectors so you're not shooting fuel into the cylinder. So I'm going to do that, and I will show you guys from there. Okay, so just so you guys caught it all, unplug the coil packs, pull them out, injectors right here, all 4 of them unplugged, and then the spark plugs, which is a 5/8. So now I'm going to go get my compression tester and set that up. Alright guys, here it is. Can't remember where I got this from. Might be a Harbor Freight, but I'm not too sure. So, just thread that sucker in, nice and tight. Should be good. Pop this guy in, test the compression. Now, I usually have this pointing towards the inside, so let me figure that out. Maybe I'll set up the camera inside with me, so let me take care of that. I'm actually going to go ahead and do this a little different since I could see this video from my GoPro app, since I'm using the Hero 3. I'm going to go crank it. There's a little bit of a delay, so hopefully I stop it and don't over crank it, but I'm gonna go ahead and go crank it. This is gonna eventually stop. That will be the compression. So I'm gonna go run to the car right now and get this started. Alright, so that was about, I don't think I stopped it too early. About 170-ish. Sounds about right. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, that one was about the same, 180. So as long as I think it's within 10% of one another, that one says good. It's kind of weird because I thought that was one of the ones that were no good. So moving on to the next one. Okay, so about the same as the first one. About 170-ish. Wow, it's really weird. Maybe I'll have to warm it up and see if there's a difference. We'll see. Because the motor's pretty cold right now. All I did was move it around from in front of my house to inside my garage, and that was about it. Alright. That one was a little lower. Looks like about 160, 155-ish. Let me do that one more time. Yeah, it's still lower. Well, let me figure out what I want to do next and go from there. But yeah, this one seems a little lower. Let me see if it's a good idea to warm it up and then do it again. Let me ask a friend, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug it back all up and just stick with those numbers. It's about 170, 180 for 3 cylinders, and one of them was about 160. So I'm just going to let it ride. Still have that overheating issue, obviously. So I got to figure out what I'm going to decide, and while I put this together, I will think about it. So in the meantime, I'm going to speed it up. Right now I'm plugging up the injectors, and then I will I'll make sure they're plugged in right. Plug in the injectors, put the spark plugs back in, plug these suckers back in, and that's it. So not too bad at all. So let's go ahead and speed it up now. Okay guys, so there goes the compression test. You guys tell me what you guys think. You guys think it's good? You guys think it's bad? Between 170, 180, it's more like 170, 175 for 3 cylinders. And one of them was about 160. So before I go on, I'm going to try to use the next video. I'll go with that. The next video is going to be using I think it's called the no spill something for the coolant, I forget. I think I'm going to use that and jack the car up, because I do feel like there's not much coolant in here. So I think I'm going to try that, and we'll see what happens. I think, who knows, maybe it's just a thermostat and I'm warring this, but I'm going to go ahead and make that my next video, is filling it up with coolant, because I don't feel like there's coolant in here. It feels empty. So that'll be the next video, guys. You guys let me know what you guys think about the compression test. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it. Where are my Honda people at? I know you guys are out there, but there are some plans for this, okay? I just gotta get through this overheating issue, then we get to move forward. Alright guys, thanks.